before you make your choice, you need to have a list of all your wants in their order of priority. And that would be a good segue into my next point, which is a scale of preference. A scale of preference is the arrangement of human wants in their order of priority. Human wants are numerous, and the means to satisfy them are limited in supply. That means we cannot satisfy all our wants. If you start listing everything that we need, we are going to take days and days, and we are not even going to be close to the end of those things. And on my screen, you can see this is a perfect scale of preference. I have shoe, I have bag, I have cell phone, and flight tickets. And I've listed all these wants in the order of priority. Then I can make my right choice from these preferences. Now we are going to take a look at the correlation between our personal finances and the choices that we make.